Hey, young buddies. I hope you're doing great. Yesterday, all of us, we celebrated Independence Day, and it was a great feeling. We remembered the sacrifice of the freedom fighters, and a sense of patriotism was there within us. Let me ask you one question today is that when we are celebrating Independence Day every year, how independent you are as an individual being? Do you really feel free? Do you really feel independent from the sense of limiting beliefs, limiting thoughts? Can you take charge of your life as a free human being? Let me tell you a story from my life to really explain what exactly I mean here. So the story that I want to share with all of you, it is from my personal life, from my career. So this was in the beginning stage of my early career life, wherein I was working with an organization, and then the company asked me to go to another city and to take care of the operations over there. For me, moving into that new place, um, just by the thought of itself was a little bit terrifying at that moment. Why it was terrifying? Because I was asked to go to a place which was completely different in terms of the language that people speak, in terms of the culture that they follow, and I was supposed to work with people at the ground level, wherein it becomes much more difficult to communicate with them because of there is no common language between us. So it happened like that. I just accepted that opportunity that the company gave me, and then I went there. I was in two minds, thinking that whether I'll be able to really perform or not. So I was not completely into that as far as my entire focus is concerned. Now, that's what happened in terms of the performance also. So my performance was not good. I was really struggling to uh, deliver result and manage people over there. Day in, day out, there were a lot of challenges that I was facing. Uh, I became a little bit timid, a little bit afraid of taking decisions. As a result, my performance within the organization depleted. People were doubtful about my capability, whether I'll be able to handle that responsibility or not. So it went to that particular stage wherein I also started doubting my capability. So when I started doubting my capability, it further impacted my performance. And it went into a situation wherein the organization was actually asking me, sending me warnings, sending me letters saying that, Jitiman, your performance is getting impacted. You need to do something immediately. It was that moment wherein I felt like leaving the job, go back to my native, and maybe take up some new job wherein the responsibilities will be comparatively lower and I'll be able to work in my native so that the language and the culture that people follow, I will feel comfortable within that same sort of situation that I have been accustomed with from my childhood. Uh, well, just before taking that decision, something hit in my mind is, uh, you know, my when I was talking to my parents, my father actually told me is that do what you think will be best for you in the long term. Although my mother was telling me is that, okay, you can take a call, you can come back, not an issue. I don't want you to be unhappy, to be in pain. All mothers think like that, right? Now, that particular sentence of my father, when he said is that you take your decision and take the decision keeping the long term in your mind. That sort of, created a sort of change in my mindset. So at that moment, I just thought that, okay, because my parents are with me and they are supporting me in whatever decision I take, I think I should be taking a judicious call before I decide on something. And I decided to give it 3 months time. I decided to handle that situation head on. I wanted to face it directly. And immediately from next day onwards, I changed my approach completely. I started learning that language, started communicating with people at the ground level, started taking charge, started thinking positively that yes, things will improve, I'll be able to make things better. Tell you what, within a month's time, things started changing. Things started giving positive result. That gave me more confidence. I was more into it. And within 3 months, the result was outstanding. The organization appreciated me for my efforts. And I personally felt as a different person altogether after that experience of 3 months. So the reason I'm telling you this particular story is that at that moment, I felt a sense of independence. Independence from my limiting beliefs, independence from my fear, independence from a sense of scarcity, independence from a sense of only working within comfort zone. And it changed the perspective of life completely for me. So that's what, my dear friends, I'm also asking you to think about it is, do you really feel independent? If you feel, please share your comments. In a few lines, please share that story in your life which made you feel independent in the true sense. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you and all the best.